If you like sunny, warm weather, then it's a fantastic Friday out there. High pressure delivering plenty of blue sky and increasing temperatures as well. It's not gloriously sunny everywhere, it seldom is. We've had these weather fronts draped across the far north of Scotland, but the rain from that warm front clearing away from Shetland. The cloud perhaps thick enough for the odd spot of light rain across the extreme north of the mainland through the rest of this afternoon. And there's a chance the cloud bubbles up to deliver one or two showers over northern England, but they'll be very well scattered. The vast majority dry, fine and sunny. Later today, just the threat of some of that mist and low cloud just grazing the coast of East Anglia once more. But as I said, most places fine, sunny and warm. Touch warmer than yesterday, 22 Celsius pretty widely inland, 24 degrees across the southeast, maybe even 25, possibly even 26 in some spots. A little cooler around some coasts. We could see some sea breezes developing, but as I say, for most, it's a pretty warm spring day and it'll stay fine well into this evening as well. Through the night, notice the cloud thickens, spills back in from the North Sea across these eastern counties of England, developing a murky old start to the weekend. Still a bit more cloud across the far northwest of Scotland, but so for most places it's dry and clear through the night. Temperatures holding up as well in double digits. Some places holding up at 11 or 12 Celsius in urban areas to start the weekend. And for many, it's going to be a cracking start to the weekend. Plenty of sunshine on offer. Will be a bit murky still over parts of eastern England early on, but pretty optimistic that cloud will melt away fairly sharply once the sun's come up. There is the possibility of this low cloud lurking in the North Sea, just drifting onto some of these coasts at times. Some cloud is going to bubble up as we go through the day as well, and there's a greater chance of seeing a few showers on Saturday, most likely just to the north of the central belt. May even see a heavy thundery shower developing, but again, very hit and miss. The vast majority just staying dry, fine, sunny, and if anything, perhaps a little bit warmer on Saturday. The winds are light, so it feels warm in that strong sunshine. Again, 25, maybe 26 somewhere across the southeast or parts of the Midlands and into East Wales. Some coasts, again, a little cooler. We could see some sea breezes, and it will be a touch cooler if we do see that mist just clinging to parts of the east coast. But generally, a pretty warm day. The sun is getting strong at this time of year. UV levels are likely to be high, particularly across parts of the south. Saturday evening, again, if you've got plans, the weather stays fine, dry and still pretty warm. Any of those isolated showers just drifting north across northern Scotland, but most won't see them at all. We are in for a bit more of a change, though, by the time we come towards Sunday. The high pressure just starting to slink away, opening the door to weather fronts from the south and from the west. Developing showers and increasing chance of actually seeing some thunderstorms on Sunday, particularly so in the west. Many eastern areas will have another fine day. Again, the possibility of some har on the east coast of Scotland. But further west, we are looking at more cloud and some showers more widely over parts of Scotland initially, but then some heavy thundery showers breaking out over Wales, parts of the Midlands, southwest England, perhaps northwest England later, and the western side of Northern Ireland also. There is a Met Office warning covering parts of England and Wales for those thunderstorms breaking out during Sunday afternoon. Again, they'll be hit and miss, but where they do occur, they could be pretty potent. A lot of rain falling in a short space of time. Much of northern and eastern England will stay dry, and if anything, hotter here. We could easily reach 27 in the capital. It will be a little less hot further west, where we'll have a bit more cloud around, but still probably feeling quite warm and quite humid. So, a couple of things to take note there. High UV levels. Pollen will be pretty high in places as well this weekend, and there's an increasing risk of seeing some thunderstorms. So, just point you towards our Weather Ready website. It's a really useful site to help you get ready for all things that our summer can throw at us.